Welcome back to TNT's Garage. Today we're going to be taking apart my 1993 GMC Suburban donor vehicle. We're hopefully going to take apart the whole front clip today. Just going to dive right into it and see what we can do. It's out.
It's out? Good.
Yeah.
Okay. So, this needs to be tucked so it's out of our way. Okay, that's a good
Ground.
Okay.
Should the headlights.
There.
Take this battery tray off.
Yeah, take the battery tray off. These right here need to be pulled on there. Probably pull this guy here.
Okay, so now we got to this stage where we wanted to be. We reached our goal for the day. We need to pressure wash it up and start with getting the brakes off, all the brake lines. So we're back at it, doing Suburban. Today's goal is to get everything on the firewall off. Try to get the dash kind of stripped down, get the steering column out, and unbolt all the 6 bolts on the bottom to hold the body on. Just try to get it ready to take the body off. We're gonna undo these 3 cab bolts on this side. Go through, hit the other side. Shouldn't take us that long. Had to get the breaker bar on them and loosen them up, but shouldn't be too hard. So we're in the clean one owner now. If you guys haven't seen what it looks like. Our next task here, let's fix the light a little bit, to get our brake pedal, throttle pedal, emergency brake disconnected, and get our steering column undone. Yeah. So we're gaining progress on her. Drop the dash, drop the steering column. Just got a few electrical things to go over and just the emergency brake to address, also the brakes themselves. But yeah, getting it on. So we got to this point, got all the wiring undone, kind of like a big rat's nest, and Tragan decided to wake from the dead.
I did.
Had to get his beauty rest till 12, so I'm jealous, but it's okay. So now we're gonna get it out. It's kind of easy with it. So everything's disconnected on the steering column. It's ready to be taken out. Come this way just a little bit. Got it? Got it? So what's up to do next is to get the 3 bolts off the brake master cylinder of the firewall. Brake pedal's already released, as you can see. And yeah, come. Okay. Oh baby. Oh, little girl power doesn't have it. Boy. Here, on the ground, there's one of these adapters. Thank you. Somebody need to go hold it from the outside.
Yeah, Trey, if you'll grab that.
Do I need, you and Gavin can grab that.
It's the brake master.
Oh. It's free. Oh my. There's a lot of washers on this. Keeping that thing locked in there. So we're in the home stretch. We got the brake master cylinder kind of tied up there. Got everything off the firewall that was on the firewall. Got all the 6 bolts, as you can see, on the ground off. The inside's looking a little bare in here, as you can see, but we're getting closer. So I'm taking this gas cap off because we're taking the body off, so we have to take this off. Yep, they're doing that. While they're doing that, I'm gonna roll under the frame and make sure that everything is disconnected so we can lift this body off. So I crawled in here to make sure I got all the bolts, and guess what? I missed 2. There's these 2. Oh, the gas tank. There's these 2. That's all I can see at the moment, but I'll get those undone and it's another step closer. So we got everything mostly done. There's actually 4 more bolts that I missed the first part. Everything's out in here already. We tried to locate the wiring harness for the rear. We don't even know where they ran it at, so yeah. Going back down this way. This side's also just completely torn. Everything, the brake booster, steering column, everything is off of the firewall. It's all ready to be ripped off. And are you big enough to lift this body off?
No.
You're not big enough to lift the body off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, right. So we got that bad boy.